Okay, we're pressure washing stairs on a hot day. Wooden stairs, pressure treated lumber stairs, pressure washing. Alright, there's pressure washing stairs. Now, just want to show a little bit here. Okay. Pressure washing all the stairs, and always wet down all the glass. What else I want to show what I'm wearing here. This is very hot out, 95 plus. Got my hat, got my bandana, sunglasses, cool rag right here. Get that in a cool bucket. Light Columbia shirt. I got proper boots. Proper boots that they wear, the shipping men wear. Got the trail, what are those called? Shin guards. So let's get back to the wood here. Okay, so this is pressure treated lumber. Keep wetting. Keep wetting. Now we're using product here, so we have to be careful. We've got a stucco, and you can see how it dries out right here. So we want to keep this stucco wet, and we want to keep this whole area wet. We want to keep wetting down the windows constantly. And we're going to take this through multiple applications. So this is pressure washing for wooden stairs on a hot sunny day, and gave some tips on keeping safe. Also, hydrate with water, yes, but if you have a high metabolism like I do, you've got to drink some Gatorade or get salty food. It's important. They used to give, in the 50s, they would give the football players, high school football players and college and pros, salt tablets. And there's a lot of sodium in Gatorade. That's what you need. I'm sweating a lot, so I got to replace my electrolytes. Cheers in the Lord.